Hi students, how are you? We were studying about the separation of substances, and in last class we studied two methods. That is, one is hand picking. What is it? If the amount of the mixture is very less and if the size of the impurities are bigger, we can separate it by our hand, and that process is called hand picking. Then we study threshing. What is threshing? The process of separation of grains from their stalks is called threshing. And today we can study another method. And the name of the method is winnowing. So what is the method? The method is winnowing. Okay. And winnowing is a method that is used to separate a mixture if one substance is heavier and one substance is light. This winnowing is a process that is used for separating a mixture of lighter and heavier particles. So if a mixture contains one lighter and one heavier particle, we can separate it by using the process of winnowing. Okay, and usually farmers use this process of winnowing for separating the lighter husk particles from the grains. So after threshing, they will collect all the grains and some husk particles will be mixed with the grains. And they want to remove these husk particles, dry leaves, everything from the seeds. And for that, they use the method of winnowing. So winnowing is a method that is used for separating lighter and heavier particles. So for example, for winnowing, they will take the substance in a flat object or on a plate and all. Then they will take the mixture. So farmers have a mixture of husk and grains. Now I bring a mixture of some dried pepper. Dried pepper is there and some paper is also there. Paper pieces. So paper pieces are lighter and this pepper is heavier also. And during winnowing, what the farmers do, they have a large quantity of grains. They want to separate large amount. So they will take this, then stand on a raised platform or on a stool and all. Then they will slightly tilt this and allow these particles to fall down. So this mixture will fall down. So mixture of paper and pepper here, that will fall down together through this side. And when they fall down, they will allow some air or wind to move from one side. So if there is no wind, they will keep one table fan or some other thing and allow wind to blow from that side. And here the mixture is falling down. And at that time, wind will come blow from one side. When the wind blows from one side, what happened? The lighter particles are what happened to the lighter particles? The lighter particles will blow away with the wind. They are lighter, so they are carried along with the wind and they go and fall down at a larger distance. What happened to the heavier particles? They fall down itself. They will not blow along with the wind. They will fall down. So the heavier particles will fall down near us, near our platform itself, and the lighter particles will go and fall down at a larger distance. Thus we can separate the heavier particles and lighter particles. So the husk particles, farmers want to separate the husk particles from the grains. So during winnowing, what happens? When the wind blows, the husk particles are carried away by the wind. And the seeds of grain get separated and form a heap near the platform for winnowing. And this husk is separated now, and this separated husk can be used for some other purposes like food for cattle and all. Okay, and this if the amount is very less, if we have a less amount of mixture of a lighter and heavier particles, we can do? We can move this up and down. And when we move this up and down, the lighter particles, what happened to the lighter particles? The lighter particles will come to the front and that will fall down, and we can separate the lighter particles, and the heavier particles will remain here itself. So like this you can separate the lighter particles and heavier particles will remain inside this itself. So you can move it up and down and separate the lighter particles also. Okay. So what is winnowing? Winnowing is the process of separating lighter and heavier particles by wind or by blowing air, and that process is called winnowing. Is it clear? So who is using this process? The farmers are using this process of winnowing. For what they are using the process of winnowing? They are using the process of winnowing for separating the lighter husk particles from the heavier grains. Okay, clear now? Okay, in this picture you can see the process of winnowing. This lady is standing on a raised platform. She is holding the mixture and she slightly tilt this and the mixture is falling down. And when the mixture falls down, wind is allowed to move from this region. So when wind moves, here the mixture is falling down, mixture of grains and husk. So husk is lighter. So when the wind blows, husk blows along with the wind and it go and fall down at a larger distance. And the heavier grains fall here and it is collected near the platform also. Okay, so like this farmers after threshing they will do the process of winnowing for separating the husk particles from the grains. Is it clear? So what is winnowing? It is a process of separating lighter and heavier particles by wind or by blowing air. Clear no? Okay, bye.